Yeah.
Yes, Kwabena. Swing around one more time, my brother.
She was the queen mother of Ejisu, the queen mother of Ejisu, this town. She was a queen mother of this town. And why is it that she's holding the gun and, you know, in a battle dress? I know some of you know the history already, but some of us, we are not aware. So we need to just go over it briefly, and then the questions that you ask me will unveil a lot of things about this town.
Okay.
Yes, Asantewaa was the queen mother of Ejisu, this town, as I said. And what happened was that in her reign, the British wanted the Goldies to sit on, because they've heard about the golden stool, and it's full of gold that was given to them by their ancestors, and it came just from the skies and landed on the laps of one of their chiefs. So the British governor at that time, Governor Hudson, came to Ashanti and told them he needed the golden stool, and they didn't give it to him for the first time, second time, third time. When they had a meeting, and the queen mother said something that triggered a war, between the last war between the British and the Ashantis. And what she said was that you have taken our king away, you have enslaved our people, and you want our gold, our golden stool. It will be difficult for us to give it to you. If you want us to give it to you, go and bring our king and our people, and we will give it to you. And it was full of nonsense, excuse my word, or annoyance in the ear of the governor. So she crossed again. If you cross again, you have raised a war, or you have announced a war. If you cross a stick, also you have announced a fight.
Yeah.
If something happened and then I know I did judo, I did shotogan. When you cross your hands like this,
Yes.
it's self-defense. I'm to defend myself. Watch boxers. Sometimes the boxers are fighting, and then the other one is beating him. He crosses his hand like this, meaning he's ready to defend himself.
Right, he blocks you.
Exactly, blocks you. Yeah, meaning that no matter any aggression, we are prepared to block you.
Yeah.
We are defending ourselves.
That's right.
Yeah. So that is what the woman did. Normally, it is the men who do that, not a woman.
Yeah.
Why? Because almost all the chiefs have been enslaved, have been taken to Social Island by the British. Why? Because they need their golden stool. So she raised a war, and during this war was 1900, and it took almost a year. The woman, the queen mother, took the golden stool, went and hid it with some guards for almost a year. Finally, the British were able to see where the woman was hidden. What they did was, the British were able to bring a lot of soldiers from Britain, as well as some soldiers from Africa here. And they were all over looking for the golden stool. So the woman went to a certain place called Barkasi. It's in the western side of the Ashanti kingdom, and went and hid it. And she was there with some bodyguards. She sent one of her bodyguards to town, and this guy was captured. And when they captured her, they took her to Accra, and they treated this bodyguard very well. The British did that, and they tricked him that, you know what, we are going to take you to Britain. You are going to see the queen. You are going to live with us. So why don't you tell us where your queen mother is? And unknowing, he also showed them where the queen mother is. So the queen mother, being a very wise person,
Yes.
she also took the golden stool from there, went and hid it somewhere, informed only 2 people about where the golden stool is. In case I'm captured, you know where the golden stool is, so that the golden stool will not get to the hands of the whites.
Yes, yes.
So the British came with thousands and thousands of soldiers to capture one woman.
Yeah, tell that.
You cannot just imagine one woman.
Yeah,
so she was captured, and then she was sent to Kumasi here. We have an inland fort. All forts are the coastal, but they built something like a fort. They imprisoned her there, and from there the Ashantis went there fighting, and they took her away from that place to Elmina Castle. On top of the castle, they built some a small thing there and put her there, known as Asantewaa room. And Ashantis trek from Kumasi here all the way to the coastal area, fighting, wanted to free their queen mother. And when the British saw that, they took her also from that place to Suchet Island. She was there for about 20 years and she died. She fought the British at the age of 67 years.
67.
Yeah. So in Ghana or in Africa, any woman that showed a sign of bravery, she was very brave. She's been given the name Asantewaa. So when you hear the name Asantewaa, it's not just a person, but she's a bravery woman who is full of wisdom and courage.
How old was she?
The British killed him.
Where's the island at that she was taken
I'll come back in
to?
there.
Stayed for 20 years. Where's the island?
Seychelles Island.
Oh, where is it at?
Where's
Social Island is around Indian Ocean. Yeah. Socials.
You know this one?